Hi, I'm Casey with Command Light, and I'm going to be showing you how to replace a nest switch on a Night 2. The tools you're going to need for this are going to be a 9/16 open-end wrench and a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. You also need that new nest switch and the nut that comes with it. If you have an older tower that utilizes one of these controllers here and you're having to hold down your green auto park button to get the light to actually come down and auto park all the way, or if you're using one of the newer circuit board controllers and the controller is timing out and it's not letting you do anything in auto park, and chances are you're going to have to replace your nest switch. I've already gone through and removed all the Phillips head screws on this cover here. You'll use your number 2 Phillips screwdriver to do that. Our nest switch is here. We'll remove the rubber boot first. We'll use our 9/16 open-end wrench to take the nut off of the nest switch. Take this out and take note of how it's wired. You've got your green going to your common, and you've got your blue, black, and yellow going to the normally closed. So when you're wiring your new switch, make sure that it's wired exactly the same. Loosen the screws here. Take those out. Discard that switch. Remove the same 2 screws on the new switch. Rewire the new switch exactly how you took apart the old one. Again, with the green going to common and the yellow and blue black going to the normally closed. Get those screws nice and tight. Then you'll replace that nest switch. Put it in the same way you took it out. Place the nut on top. And then tighten that down with your 9/16 wrench. You will have to hold the switch in place underneath as you're tightening this down so it doesn't twist around. Make sure you're not over tightening this. You will break the switch if you over tighten it. Then just replace your black rubber boot. And replace the relay box cover and all the screws. That's a nest switch swap. If you have any questions, you can visit our website or give us a call. Again, this has been Casey with Command Light. Thanks for watching.